Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi here. Sorry I haven't been picking, I've been really busy. But we're going to try and get a lock pick tonight for you. And I've got one in mind that I want to pick. That the board lock picker sent me a couple of his locks. His number 1 and number 2 challenge lock. And the number 1 lock was the one that had that slot in it. This is his number 2. And I even took the number 1, I actually took it home with me and was playing with it. It's a pretty tough lock, so I'm going to bet this one's pretty tough too, guys. Well, let's get it viced up. Show you that it works. Looks really nice. Very smooth. That's the bitting. I think I already showed you that, but there it is again. You guys squared there. I want to be about there. A little crooked in the vise. Okay. So I see keyway. So let's get a gem. Something to put in the bottom of the keyway. Okay. 50 thousandths. And let's see what we can do here, guys. Like I said, I've been really busy. I'm sorry I haven't been picking anything. I just touched, I think that was 6, and it gave a little tiny turn on the quarter. Okay, I just overset 1. Oh, I'm sorry. Like I was saying though, on that on his number 1 lock, the Ben Pickens' number 1 lock, I'm sorry. He's got this like wafer in the back, and the key is cut, so it covers the number 6 pin in the back. Really a cool idea. So I've been trying to figure out how I could get into that one. That might stay with me for a little bit, my friend. Okay, I feel like I'm not getting high enough. I'm solid on everything right now. I don't think I overset anything. Let's try the 4 diamond in here. Okay, got some crunching going now. I got a little bit more false set. I think that was 6 I touched again. Gave me a little more. I got nothing on anything. Oh, there's a little counter. I think there was 2. All right, I'm overset on something for sure. Pin 1 is solid. Two is solid. Oh, we went to a deeper false set there. I think that was off of number 4. I don't know if that's a spool that's holding me or if it's going to be a T-pin. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of counter off of 2 there, I think it is. I just dropped it all, guys. Yep. See if we can get that back. Bear with me. We're going to get this open, guys. One, 2, 3. It's real hard to get under that number 4 pin. 2 is solid. 3 is feels set. Ooh, we went to a deep false set again on 1 that time, guys. there's something definitely funny in the one chamber. And now everything quit talking again. Okay, I'm going to lighten up on my tension a little bit. See if I can read some counter from some... Oh, I just overset that for sure. Maybe not. Let's go back to 1 and see. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think that was an overset, guys. It took all of my false setback away that I had. Sorry, this is going to be a boring pick, guys. I'm just like physically drained right now. Okay, we got a little turn on a plug again there. Okay, I'm getting a little counter from, I think that's 2, I believe. Oh, I almost pushed my pick up, my tension wrench out. Let me get that back in there. Okay, got it. Oh, I just lost it. Okay, I got it back. Oh, man. See, I have such little tension on this that I keep dropping my tension wrench. Okay, that was definitely an overset again. Okay. We're done with this one, guys. We'll try a little bit more. I was going to give up. We're only 6 minutes, so let's see. Okay. 6. 5 is solid. 4, nothing. Little counter from 2, and it just slipped in. Okay, just got a little turn on that plug again. Nah, I thought 3 was giving me counter, but no. Okay, we got the full setback. Oh, a little deeper false set now. Okay, a little deeper there with that one. We might be getting somewhere here now, guys. There's one pin holding us here somewhere. You watch, it's just going to be like a nudge on it, and it's going to flop. Oh, I almost pushed my tension wrench out again. I don't want to lose this false set, guys. A little deeper there. There was, I think, 3. Okay. Everything feels set in that lock. God, I don't want to make a 20-minute video. But I also hate giving up. I'm telling you, everything feels set in there, guys. And that's a deep false set. Oh, we're open there. Beautiful. Oh, Jesus. That was a tough lock, my friend. Oh, how far are we into this? 9 minutes. Okay, we'll get this guy before 15 then. Okay. I don't want to rush through the pins because, you know, people put a lot of time into making these things. Okay. Phillips. Awesome job on this lock, my friend. Very, very nice lock. I'm sure there's some real goodness in here. You did write it in your letter. Okay, let's get this up. We're going to go this way, get a shim in this. Okay, that shim does not want to go, guys. Oh, I got him. I got him in there. He's in. Okay, where's my follower? I didn't go out of frame, did I, guys? I hope not. Key pins are up that way. Okay. Here we go. Beautiful. I gotta move back a little bit because I think I'm coming out of frame when I go to move stuff. Okay, you can see all the pins are in and working, guys. See what kind of goodness he's got in here. Okay, but there's everything in and working. I see some spools. I see some... Yeah, everything had to be picked too. That's a good bitting. Okay, number 1, really nice spool. Number 2 is serrated. Number 3, another long serrated. Number 4 does not want to come out of there. Okay, let's do this. 6, like a torpedo. Very nice spool in 5. Oh, that came out. And these are standard. I don't see nothing done in that core. Oh yeah, there's threading and very light threading I see in number 5, it looks like. That's all I see in there though. Let me get a pick and just make sure, guys. Sorry about the shakes. I know you can see I'm shaking like a madman here. Yeah, we got threading in 5 only, guys. Awesome job, my friend. Very awesome lock. Glad I got to pick it. And the key pins are really, really nice pins. He did some work on them. Very, very rounded at the bottom. Could have been why my pick kept sliding off. I was looking for a ball bearing. Okay, number 1. Let's see how he came out. He's a serrated. Oh, goodness, man, am I shaking. Steel spring. Oh, and that chamber's threaded, I see. Number 2 is this awesome. Jesus Christ, is that a cool pin. As long as can be. It's real short copper spring, which he had to put that in because that pin is so long in there. There's 3. Another really nice spool. It might be a commercial spool, actually. Steel spring. All right, we'll get one more out this way, then we'll go through the back on the rest. Okay. He doesn't want to come out of there. He's stuck. Wow. Another very, very long serrated T-pin. Very tiny copper spring. Well, if we go over the 15 minutes, guys, we go over it. Holy cow. It was in there like this. That's threaded chamber too. Okay. Well, I'm surprised that lock opened with all this that's in it. Jesus, that's a lot of work in that one, my friend. Okay, I can't tell what he did here. Okay, so there's threading in... That looks like counter milling actually up there. I think he counter milled number 2. Threading in 1, 3, 5, and it looks like counter milling in 6 too. I don't know what he did there. Let me see what my pick real fast, guys, and then I'll take us down to the pinning board there. Yeah, there's like a sleeve or something in there, it looks like. You have to let me know what you did there. Been picking? That's counter milled for sure. Yeah, that's definitely counter milling in the back. Okay, so you got threading in 1, 3, 5, and there's threading in 6, but it doesn't catch the pick real bad. I don't know if that's threading or not. Nah, that's pretty smooth. You know what? That's just scratches from the machining. Definitely threading in 1. Awesome lock though, my friend. Let me bring this down to the pinning board. I'll point out what we had in here. Yeah, we're over 15, so, all right. Okay, in number 1, we had this really cool spool with the serrated up above it. Long steel spring. Number 2, we had this serrated in the bottom, and then this awesome spool up top with that little tiny copper spring. Number 3, we had this serrated here with this spool above him with another steel spring. Number 4, look how long this driver is. A standard in number 4, and then this awesome driver in there. Wow, what work in that pin, buddy. Very nice. With that copper spring above him. And then number 5 had this, I'm going to say that's a spool with this little tiny, it's reduced diameter here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see there or not. And it's got a serration in here with a steel spring above him. And then this is like a torpedo spool with this T-pin spool serrated up above him with this little tiny copper spring. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the long video. See you guys soon. I'm going to try and get some more locks picked for you. Thank you. Good night.